Emeka wan use it for ritual.
Who dey use you for ritual na? No. Wetin happen? I don offend you before. I offend you.
Because Emeka warned me not to tell you. As you left that day, he warned me not to tell you. I called the pastor. The pastor said, "There's a bag under his bed." Not your picture be this. Not your picture be this. Not your picture. Not your picture be this. Not the pint be this. Not the red cloth. Not the bra be this.
Wetin dey my bag? Wetin dey your bag? My picture.
I beautiful people see a girl Adama so come go dey Egypt and aggressor. Honestly, to be sincere, from the deepest part of my heart, I never wanted to search that guy's phone. Like, if you are with your phone like this, even without you touching it, you will see a message. When a message drop for your phone, you will see it on top of your phone. I only saw bring bra and pint. Now everything make me go click that thing. Not be say I really went to his phone and I want to search. What will I be searching his phone for? And I should even say maybe that is how God just want me to see what is going on. Currently, I called my pastor and he said many things about what is going on currently. And I want to go to her house. According to my pastor, he said there's a bag whereby the guy puts many things inside the bag, inside the house. So I want to go and meet the mother and confront the mother. Meanwhile, she doesn't know anything about what is going on. She's just happy that her son wants to travel to Ghana, blah, 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 blah. But I will not sit and watch that woman die like that because she's too good. You can imagine a mother praying for the success of her child, and at the end of it all, that child can't take her own life. I will not stand and watch it. Let us dead. Mama! She said she does. I thought even call her for phone before coming. Mama! Good afternoon. Okay. Good afternoon.
Hey, auntie, my friend, my daughter. Thank you for that day.
You're welcome.
Thank you. God bless you.
Money. They sent the money.
We collect the money. Emeka don dey pack load. Whether tomorrow first thing I will escort am garage. Emeka go.
Not tomorrow, I won't go.
Yes, Emeka go tomorrow. The money don come now. I don't even buy new clothes, buy shoe, buy everything. Where you go carry go.
Really?
Thank you, my daughter.
Ma, I want to ask you something.
Yes, ma'am.
I know you are a good woman, huh? And God will continue to bless you,
Amen.
Protect you,
Amen.
Keep you alive for being a good woman.
Amen, my dear. Thank you. And you too.
Amen. Do you really love that your son that much?
It's my life. Oh. If Emeka make, God forbid, he's sick, then he kidney, I give her my own. It's my whole and whole. I no marry again because of Emeka. Because I no want make him woman can't take Emeka do rival. No. All my life now for him. Get one Benin girl. With the girl they do like a big man picking. They do high. But because I love my son, I say make them there together. If you bring the girl, say one marry, I go pray for them.
But you don't like the girl?
The girl be like say make you not pull my son for gbese. Now why? The two they like big things, big motor. They talk and where I dey. Say person get big motor, Range Rover. I not too like him, but I love my son. I don't make a verse.
Okay, Mama.
I love him so well.
I don't even know how to tell you something like this, but
Emeka, wetin my son? Wetin happen? My son, they play game for neighbor. All this time wey we get, they play game for their sitting room. You no comot na, abi you see am outside?
You remember the last time I came here and I was trying to snap. I was snapping both of you. Yeah. I was taking pictures, videos.
Surprise, yes.
A message came inside his phone, and I saw where they wrote, "Bring your mommy's pint, bra, picture."
Huh?
And sharp knife.
Now what did they pay me for anything small? Like person carry family matter. Now go begin the place. That's what you do for me. You want money?
No, I don't want money. I swear, I know they lie.
If your money no come, make I pay you. If you say you dey collect money, whether you just pity me as widow, you no charge me money. This one where you dey talk, I don't like am. Which one be fine? Which one be bad? Which one?
Mama, no go feel like.
Wait till the age na 21 years. Wait till be that one.
Mama.
Wait till.
I was even trying.
I say no. God, I don't want verse.
Emeka wan use it for ritual.
Who dey use you for ritual na? No. Oh. Wetin happen? I don offend you before. I offend you.
Emeka wan use it for ritual.
My pikin no use me for ritual for wetin.
Mama, Emeka
Wetin be age?
I go call the
If you
pastor.
get son, you no go love am. To love my son na bad thing. Is it because say I go do gambling make my son succeed? You don dey vex. You go talk my
No, that pikin. My pikin is doing fine. He's a medical doctor. Yeah, my pikin is doing fine also. And I love my son too much. But the truth is that your son wants to use it for you.
Make neighbor no hear am. You go come dey go. You go come dey go. My son no fit do anything like that. God forbid. The God of Isaiah, the God of Abraham, the God of Joseph, the God of Jacob no go gree. That thing they no dey do am for my family. Wetin you dey talk? Wetin you dey talk, madam? Hey!
Okay. Can you hear me out? I called the pastor. And after that day, I called the pastor. Because Emeka warned me not to tell you. As you left that day, he warned me not to tell you. I called the pastor. The pastor said, there's a bag under his bed, his bedroom. Go to his bedroom. There's a bag there where he packed some clothes. And there's something he put inside.
Inside my house?
Yes. So
you say talk. Oops, nah, true you dey talk. Abeg, I be patient. I don't want
Mama,
give me hypertension.
I know they chase cloud.
I take your mama head, beg you. When you dey talk, na true you dey talk about my son, my only son. And which woman go pray make you only son? They think bad thing for where he dey.
God go dey lie for you now.
He say he dey where? He dey where? Talk. He say he dey where? Where the thing dey?
His bedroom. Yeah, I don't know things. The pastor said his bedroom under the bed. I don't even know if about thing I can't talk. Now which kind to reduce? So maybe no blessing. I me can separate mother and pikin. Which kind will I be doing? Did I do bad thing? I for not tell her, won't tell her which kind wahala put myself. This I work, say I don't want to do am again. When the person go pour me cold water for here.
This one na issue. This one na bag. Na issue. Na issue. Hey. But if this is not the truth, God go hear me and you.
Mama,
I'm a very gentle Christian woman, but I no go take this thing.
Na pastor tell me.
This impersonation, this thing wey you wan give my only son. If say money wey no dey, e suppose to be graduate with master degree. Now I say okay, as money no dey, make him try to try business. He no bother him business man before he. You know what to get this bad things he come give me. This bad things.
Mama, na what I see and I call pastor. That's.
If it no be so, oh God. If it no be so, the whole world go hear us. The same old world go hear us.
Sorry.
My son that I labor for wait.
Mama, no the picture be this.
Little. Emeka.
Not your picture be this. Not your picture be this. Not your picture. Not your picture be this. Not your picture be this.
Na my own picture when the capacity dey alive.
Not be point be this. Not be left clothes. Not be a bra be this. Not be this. Not be bra be this. Not be red cloth be this.
Emeka! Oh! Come. Emeka, Eniola, call Emeka for me. Hey. Make you no be wetin I dey think. Where did I went wrong? To love only son. To love my only son. Emeka, wetin dey my bag? Wetin dey your bag? My picture.
I've told you not to come here. I've told you not to come here again. I've told you not to come here again. What did you do here? What have you done to my mother? What have you done to my mother?
I told you that I'm coming back for you.
I love you as a mother to love his son. I love you the whole world to happy. I want to take me to the shop. This way they follow that Caroline. I don't say that girl put him for Anna. Caroline, somebody take me to the shop to buy her.
What did she tell you? What did she tell you?
Caroline, see picture. See my time. What did my brother do? For your bag. Mama is what did they do? Mama, what did they do? Make the whole world cost free for my son.
Mommy, my pastor come and say that we pray and I pray and
we prayer. So you want to go Catholic? Why do you go Catholic church? You know they pray for us. I go tell you go to church. Give you money for tithe. You go spend am. You go give money for offering.
You're pressing my mother mind.
Yeah,
You're pressing my mother mind against me. You're pressing my mother mind against me.
Mama,
Mama. No,
You are not my son, Eswat. Oh, don't you. You are not my son. You can never be my son, no. You can never be my son. Not be born Rebecca.
Look at my tears. Look at my tears.
Sit down, it's okay.
You are not my son. For today, you are not my son. Let me buy you. Let me buy you. Anything do you want. You sick this time around, nobody. You I say if you need kidney, I'll give you my kidney. Is it because I say if they say you give kidney, I will give you. That's why Kukuma want. They never say you need kidney transplant. You want ready. I think God bless you. They go. Go. And you know before that son again. Yeah, you know before that son again.
But I told you I don't want to see you in this company again. Isn't that true? What have you done to my mother?
How can you?
How can I be heartless?
How can you be?
How?
For your own mother.
How?
Woman that carried for 9 months.
How?
She means all the best for you.
Where are you from?
And at
Where are
the
you from?
end, this is how you want to pay
Where are
her
you
back.
from? Where are you
What kind
from?
of a child
Where
are
are you
you?
from?
You are a cursed child. Honestly, you are a cursed child. Not they carry her pint again. Not carry her pint again. Go do your ritual. Take her pint, bra. Don't carry her pint again. And her people. If you want to go do your ritual, go and do it with your own pint. Or use a prick and do your ritual. I mean, the time so that you speak, do ritual. Use a prick and do your ritual. Are you okay?
But I leave my company.
Come and drag me now. Oga, come out here, John. Come and drag me. Are you okay? Drag me. See, I go beat you here.
Mama, leave.
So if I leave you, you go fit push me. How old are you that you want to push me? Are you okay?
Mommy.
You no get respect, Abi.
Mommy.
Now you know say na your mama.
Mommy.
You are very stupid. I don't even know what. In fact, let you come carry her load, I beg. What's this now? How can somebody be so mean to her own mother? That's where you call mama. Like I don't get it. You know what? You just cut my